So my husband and I, we already hung the decoration that I got from Hobby Lobby yesterday. So here you go. Ayan. So this is in the entryway. So every family has a story. Welcome to ours. And then I found this good deal. So I got that. Maybe someday I'm gonna, replace it with something else. And then the other one, here you go. There you go, guys. Ayan. And so together developed a life beloved. Like that. That up above the TV, I'm going to think what I'm going to put in there. Because in Christmas time, we put the wreath right there. So I do the decoration slowly because I want to think about it, if it looks nice and everything like that. So yeah, next project would be good morning guys, another day, another vlog. So today is a busy day, and so I'm going to make the lasagna. I supposed to make the lasagna last night, but I don't have the aluminum foil, so aluminum tray. So I don't have the aluminum tray. So I'm gonna go to the store and get the aluminum tray. And then this morning they're trimming, so we call somebody to trim our trees and remove bushes in our front yard and then our backyard as well. So I'm gonna show you guys some clips. Charot. They're trimming the bushes, removing all the thing.
I see what you're saying now.
It's cleaning the bushes.
She's like, need to be trimmed more. Wow!
What
Look
one's
at.
the owner? The one on the thing?
No, not that one.
Guys,
He's get that tall and whoa, it's all gone.
Just like that, huh?
Just like that. 2,000. Chiching, chiching. Chiching, chiching. Call somebody to trim our trees and remove some bushes. And they are here cleaning up. That's all. All gone. That's all that we need. You're gonna spend like maybe,
It'd probably cost us another $1,000 if we ever decided we just want to remove it.
yeah.
Like the work to chop it down to the stump would actually be pretty easy for them now that they've got the top chopped. But it would take a lot of poisoning and grinding.
we're cleaning the bushes.
Yeah, they're trimming the trees.
Yes, cleaning the trees.
Yep. I die. It
She's
means
gonna
like,
eat a prickly pear.
come on, hold this. Take your video. So if I die, it's not your fault. Is it like dragon fruit, you think? Have you tried this?
Bitter?
It's not like, the texture is not good. I don't like it.
It might be overripe.
It looks like dragon fruit.
Sorry, I'm bad video.
It looks like sponge.
I think they're probably overripe. They've been sitting. They've been red for 2 months.
It looks like sponge. Okay, so the tree guy was here, guys, and then they trimmed the trees already and removed the bushes. So I'm gonna show you the tree. Here, as you can see. And so there were Lots of dead branches here. And so as you can see, there's a lot of dead branches. So they cleaned that up. It's really cool. And then here as well, they trim this tree and then remove the bushes that was here. And he's going to get rid of this because we asked to. As you can see, ayan. And here as well. Then I'm gonna show you the other side. We asked him to, get rid of it because I have a plan for this yard. Looks better right now. And that one as well, we're going to get rid of that from there to here. And then the dead bushes was here, so it's all gone. Okay guys, so we are here in our backyard. So this tree, we're going to trim this. The backyard tree is, the leaves is gone. So we trim it really good. We did not trim it. Somebody can trim it for us. And like this one, these trees will be removed. These ones. We're going to keep that pecan tree there. But this ones, we're going to get rid of it. And then as you can see, all the bushes near the fence, we're going to get rid of it as well. And then the stump, and this one, the pecan tree that's really in the dead center, going to get rid of it. And this tree, and that one, and this as well. So this will be gone, guys. This will be gone, and no more bushes, no more trees right there. And then the pecan was here and it's gone. It's more clear. There's only pecan tree left here, that one and this here. And then the bushes is gone. All bushes near to the fence is gone. The cactus is still there. We're going to get rid of it someday. And then the tree was here. We thought that it was a peach tree, but it did not bear fruit, so we just get rid of it. It doesn't give us anything. Oh, finally, it's all gone. Just need to be clean. Good morning, guys. So another day, another vlog. So another day, the same vlog. So I'm gonna make. So today we are going to visit Caleb. So he's one of our friend that has an accident. So we're going to visit him. And I made him 2 pan lasagna. And also I'm gonna make him pancit because he likes pancit. So the pancit is ready. Hi guys, so I already cooked the pancit and I cooked extra lumpiang Shanghai. So and we're almost there. So we're almost at Caleb's house. I'm excited to see Django. This is getting bigger.
Remember, we don't know how much he's going to be up and around.
Hi guys, so we went to Artesia this morning and then we dropped the food to Caleb's house, and then when we came home I received delivery package. This is the delivery package from Amazon. I ordered it for party this Saturday. So I got this balloon stuff here. Party balloon decoration. And also I got a happy birthday topper. And that's so cute. There's 40 pieces on this one. So cool. Nice. So I'm gonna ask Maud to take this out. But I wanna keep this one. That's cool. And so we went there to drop. So we went to our teacher to drop the food, and then I saw the because he has python snake. His pet is python snake.